Welcome to our YouTube channel, where today we're diving into the realm of automotive safety with a special feature, the Top Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Crash Test Videos of 2023. The world has been captivated by these compelling videos, showcasing not just the dramatic spectacle of brand new cars facing rigorous challenges, but also offering an educational glimpse into the sophisticated engineering behind vehicle safety. Join us as we explore the most popular crash test videos released by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety last year, and discover which cars stood out in the world of impact safety. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the 2023 Rivian R1S. This model is not only the priciest contender on our list, but it also stands out as the sole fully electric vehicle in the lineup. The Rivian R1S has piqued public interest for good reason. As a newcomer in the automotive world, Rivian represents the burgeoning era of electric vehicles. This sparks a natural curiosity about how these battery-powered machines fare in crash tests, which were traditionally designed with gas-powered cars in mind. So, how does the R1S measure up in the updated moderate overlap crash test? The results were a bit underwhelming. The R1S received a marginal rating, indicating there's room for improvement in its impact safety performance. Moving to number 4 on our list, we have the 2023 Toyota Camry. This vehicle might not be the flashiest, but its crash test video certainly drew a lot of attention. Why? Because the Camry isn't just any car. It's the best-selling sedan in the United States, with nearly 300,000 units sold in 2023 alone. It's a car familiar to many, from those who've bought one to daily Uber passengers. There's a widespread curiosity about how such a popular vehicle performs under extreme stress. Interestingly, like the Rivian R1S, the Camry excelled in nearly every crash test category. However, it faced a similar challenge in the updated moderate overlap test, where it also received a marginal rating. Taking the third spot in our countdown is the 2023 Ford Maverick, featuring in its updated side crash test video. This test addresses a burning question that resonates with every pickup truck enthusiast. Is it possible for a smaller pickup to offer robust safety? We're all familiar with the resilience of larger trucks like the Ford F-150, known for handling various impacts with ease. But the spotlight now turns to Ford's smaller, entry-level unibody truck, the Maverick. The public's keen interest in this model propelled its side crash test video to immense popularity. The results? The Maverick impressively secured a good rating in the side crash test. However, it's worth noting that it received just an acceptable rating in the moderate overlap test. Approaching the top of our list at number 2 is the Volvo XC60, featured in its updated side crash test. Volvo has long been heralded as a paragon of automotive safety, so it's always noteworthy when one of its models falls short of perfection in a crash test. This is precisely what transpired with the XC60. In the IIHS's updated side crash test, this SUV managed to earn only an acceptable rating, a step below the coveted good rating. Nevertheless, it's important to highlight that the XC60 aced every other test it underwent. This suggests that despite this particular setback, the XC60 maintains a strong safety profile overall. Before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Join our community of car enthusiasts to stay updated with our latest reviews and insights. Your support fuels our passion for cars. Now, let's get back to the exciting world of automobiles. And now, we reach the pinnacle of our list with the most viewed Insurance Institute for Highway Safety crash test video of 2023, the Toyota Grand Highlander's driver-side small overlap crash test. Taking the top spot, this video garnered immense attention, likely for reasons similar to the Toyota Camry's test. The Grand Highlander is anticipated to be a popular choice among consumers, particularly for large families. This makes its performance in crash tests a matter of significant interest, especially for parents prioritizing safety. In this specific test, the Grand Highlander achieved an acceptable rating, which, while commendable, is a notch below the good rating achieved in other tests.